Well guys, we got some good news and we got some bad news. The good news is tomorrow is only bloody Friday, thank God. We've been out all week. But the bad news is I'm not currently in Cinderella. And you might wonder why I'm not in Cinderella. Have I just parked up for the night? No, it's a little bit worse than that, guys, and you'll find out pretty soon, because Dave from RS Recovery has had to come out to see us. And he's agreed to let us film him coming back in. Oh, poor Cinders. Cinderella. She's poorly again. We broke down. There's my mate as well. We broke down on the M5 earlier, and unfortunately it's going to be quite a bit of damage. Come on, Cinders, let's get you put into the doctors, eh?